As motorists traveling on our highways and roadways, very little thought goes into the process of road building, or even the materials used on the road surface on which we're driving. In this program, we will be taking a look at one vital but relatively unknown department within the Ministry of Transport Works and Maintenance, the Materials Testing and Research Laboratory. Tucked away in a section of the yard at the ministry's headquarters at Pine is a laboratory which was established in 1995 after the closure of the ministry's asphalt and crushing plants.
The main function of the laboratory is to carry out quality assurance testing as well as quality control testing on all materials used by the ministry for road building, bridge building and highway construction.
Along with its complement of staff, which comprises of 2 lab technicians, a general worker and a driver, Mr. Millington stated that they carry out a varying number of tests on a daily basis.
The lab carries out basically 4 types of tests on 4 different types of materials, road building materials. There is mainly the asphalt and other bituminous mixes. There's soils. There's also concrete and stone aggregates. The laboratory has 2 main types of testing programs. One is an in-house testing program and the other is a field testing program. Right? The in-house testing program looks at asphalt, soils, concrete, and aggregates. And the field testing program is really an expanded program since we were set up here in the Pine. That is because there was a demand in the construction sector for more field testing services.
Mr. Millington added that his staff are well equipped to carry out the test and to maintain the mandate of the laboratory.
The main function of the laboratory is that of the quality control and quality assurance testing on road building and highway materials. Right? All of the staff have been trained, both locally and overseas, training to conduct all the tests. The laboratory carries out about 20 different tests, and so we are well equipped to conduct tests on soils and asphalt and concrete and so on and so on. Probably the most important or the most requested test would be the nuclear density testing and the asphalt core drilling tests. Those will be the most requested tests. We've been doing a pretty good job so far with the equipment that we have to carry out these tests.
As we have shared a brief glimpse into the Materials Testing and Research Laboratory of the Ministry of Transport Works and Maintenance, it is our hope that the next time you take a drive on any of our roadways, you have a greater appreciation of just what it takes to build and maintain our nation's roads.